Hey, it's Bill Portnova. Just wanted to show you what you're going to get with the WordPress Success video training for $9.99 a month. You're going to get a lot of cool stuff, free bonuses, one new WordPress plugin every single month that's going to really help you have great success really at dominating yourself with WordPress, okay? But this course is for someone that's brand new and someone that's a novice that just wants to, get some more free plugins and also learn more things that they probably don't know, okay? This course is very extensive. It tells a lot of information. It has 10 videos that are going to show you step by step how to set up your WordPress website the best, how to secure your WordPress website, a whole bunch of things, how to build your email list so you can actually have subscribers and offer them products and services, whatever you want to do. This is going to show you from A to Z what you need to do. It's very simplified. You're also going to get 2 free bonuses. You're going to get a checklist here that's going to help you be organized and really know what you need to do to put the website together and know exactly how to do it. This right here is a cheat sheet. This is going to give you some extra special information that's going to keep you on the right track to making sure that you know what you're doing, okay? Then what you're going to get also is you're going to get this ebook is very long. It's the 10-step guide to creating your first site using WordPress, okay? So basically you're going to go through that ebook, and I'll show you in the members area here in a sec where all this stuff is so you can download it, okay? But then also, okay, make sure you watch this video right here. You'll see the quality of the videos in this course, okay? You can come right here and you can actually see with the 10-step guide that I was just talking about, you can come down here and see everything that you're going to learn in this guide. It's very, very detailed, okay? And here's the 10 videos that you're going to get, so you can kind of look at those right there, but I'm going to show you in the members area here in a sec. Then, like I said, you're going to get 1 free WordPress plugin every single month, and the way it's going to work is, all right, here's just a couple that you're going to see that you're going to get just right away, okay? We're going to just, once you purchase, what's going to happen is, let's go back to the top here. Once you click right here and you click on purchase, all right, you'll be taken to the members area right here. Watch this welcome video right here. This right here, you'll be a gold level membership right here. And we start off with video 1 all the way down to video 10. Okay, and here's these bonuses that we were talking about: resource cheat sheet, point and click checklist, and then right here, here's the WordPress mind map. That's really just going to let you have kind of a picture image of really what you need to do with your WordPress website, okay? And then again, here is this, like I told you, the very long ebook that's going to really show you in detail the 10 steps of creating your first website and making sure you set it up to have great success, okay? And then right here, this is where you're going to get your plugin of the month, okay? Right here, obviously, this right here, once you get in there, this will be the first one that you'll be getting right here, the WP Squeeze question plugin. Then the following month, you'll get the next one right here, and the next one, and so on. And as time goes on, each and every month, we will add more and more. So the longer you're with us, the more you'll get in free different plugins and different bonuses that we're going to add to this page. And the good thing is, like I said, for $9.99, you're going to be getting plugins that we're going to be selling from anywhere from $20 to a total of $97 just for these plugins right here individually. So you're going to be getting all this right here each and every month, one new plugin for just $9.99. So like I said, the value that you're getting from here is incredible. So like I said, you're getting a ton of value. So let me go back here to the members area to show you. Once you click on the video right here, it's very simple. Once you watch the first video, you just click next. Just click next. You just keep on going. All right. Video 5, and obviously video 6, video 7, video 8, video 9. Right there, you start getting your bonuses right there. Download right there the cheat sheet. Right here, you download the checklist. Right here, you'll download the mind map right there. Then right here, this is where you're going to be able to download right here the 10-step guide to creating your first website. Very, very detailed. It's going to help you out tremendously. Right here, you're going to click here. And like I said, you don't have to click all from there, but if you go in the order, then this is going to take you right to the page where you're going to be able to download the WordPress plugin of the month. And again, this is Bill Portnova. I hope you really enjoy this extensive WordPress success training guide. We're always going to be adding bonuses to make sure that you have great success. So in time, we'll be adding new videos that will help you as we feel like they could help you have greater success at utilizing your WordPress website and getting the most clients and having the most success with your WordPress website. Again, this is Bill Portnova. We'd like to thank you again for looking at our website and deciding to take the next step and creating your first WordPress website and dominating things so you can have great success. All right, have yourself a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.